everyone. I hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. So you guys took the test yesterday. Today, I did not get that graded, but we are going to move on to a new chapter, okay, uh, where we're going to be looking at different topics, okay, different forces, right? And we're going to look at different laws, and Newton has 3 different laws, okay? Today we're going to focus on law number 2, which is force is equal to mass times acceleration. Okay? So a new equation, and we know acceleration, we know how to calculate acceleration, we know what mass is, and now we're going to be looking at forces. Now forces can come in different shapes and sizes, but what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to present my screen so that you can see what I'm seeing, and we'll begin to go. Okay, so force is equal to mass times acceleration. And if you have to pause the video at any point, please feel free to do so, okay? So Newton, all right? Forces are measured in newtons. So whenever I say write a unit for force, the unit you're going to write for force is Newton. Okay? So 1 Newton is the force that can give a mass of 1 kilogram. So mass has 1 kilogram. And acceleration, 1 meter per second per second. Okay? So those are your 3 units for this chapter. Okay? So you got force. Force is written as newtons. Mass is kilograms. And acceleration is meters per second per second. Those are our 3 units. Okay? All right, so converting. So sometimes you might see mass in grams. Sometimes you might see it in kilograms. Okay? You will always want to convert it to kilograms. You will always want to get it to kilograms. So to convert it, grams to kilograms, you move the decimal 3 places to the left. So let's say you have 222 grams. Well, right now, technically my decimal is right here, right? So if I move it 3 to the left, that leaves me with 0.222 kilograms. Okay, and then kilograms to grams would be to the right. Okay, so we said the equation we focused on is force is equal to mass times acceleration. So here, they're just rearranging the equation. So let's say we solve for A. Well, if we solve for A, you're going to have to divide M to the other side. And if you solve for M, you're going to have to divide A to the other side. And those are what the 3 equations would look like. So do a little practice. Please pause the video and do a little practice. How many grams to kilograms, kilograms to grams? Okay. Okay, so hopefully you pause the video. Here are the answers. All right. How did you do? Hopefully you guys did pretty good. And let's check out a few practice problems based on this information. So what force would be needed? So what force would be needed? So I don't know my force. I know the mass is 25. Is the unit correct? Yes, the unit is correct. Acceleration 0.75 meters per second per second. Is that unit right? Yes. Okay, so I know if I'm solving for F, I just got to do M times A. So 25 times 0.75. M times A. Let's see, 25 times 0.75. Got to plug it in the calculator. I got 18.75. Now, what's the unit for force? Good, it's newtons. 18.75 newtons. Okay. Another example, okay? Let's write this out. What is the net force necessary? So I have my mass. Mass is 1,500 kilograms. Is that unit right? Yes. Okay. Acceleration, 2 meters per second per second. Is that unit right? Yes. Once again, all you got to do, force is equal to mass times acceleration. Just got to multiply those two. Answer would be 3,000 newtons. Okay. Ooh, next one's a little tricky. So a golf ball weighs 45 grams. Is that unit right? No. Okay, so from grams to kilograms, I got to move my decimal 3 to left. 1, 2, 3, which means I have an empty space there, so I have to add a 0. So now I have 0.045 kilograms. Is that unit right? Yes, it is. So that's my mass. Acceleration is equal to 9.5 meters per second per second. Is that unit right? Yes. Now all you got to do is multiply. And when you multiply, I got 0.4275 newtons. Okay. Let's check out a different type of problem. Okay. Here, wants me to solve for mass, where my force is 34 newtons, which is the right unit, and acceleration is 4 meters per second per second. Well, when I want to solve for my mass, I got to use my m equation. So m is equal to F divided by A. So F, 34, divided by 4 is 8.5. What's the unit for mass? Nice. Mass is kilograms. Okay. And similarly, try this last one out. Try it on your own. Pause the video, please. Okay, so hopefully you got an answer to be 0.26 meters per second per second. Okay. So that is, pretty sure that's the last. Posted a little assignment on Google Classroom. Try it out. Okay, try out that little assignment. See how you do. If you have a lot of questions, just let me know. We'll cover this again on Monday. Okay. So I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you guys on Monday.